Welcome to our tutorial on the column element on Dotcom. Are you looking to arrange your elements neatly on your web page? Using columns, you can effortlessly arrange different blocks of your website in an organized way. Dotcom has an exclusive element dedicated to columns. You can use this element to add any number of columns to your web page. After that, you can add the elements you want to place inside each of these columns. Go to the desired theme page and click Elements. Drag and drop the column element to the design canvas. Please note that you can add new columns to the existing ones by adding more column elements or any other element next to them. Hover over the column to edit the element added, container column, and container row. 1. Container column. Click Edit. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust different column parameters like width, gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Navigate to the Style tab. It has two modes, Normal and Hover. Here, you can customize the style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Lastly, you can use the Advanced tab to make further customizations on the container column. 2. Container row. Hover over the container row and click Edit. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has Normal and Hover tabs. Under each mode, configure the background and border customizations of the container row. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can adjust the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. That ends our tutorial on how to use the column element on Dotcom. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website using Dotcom. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.